Expected matter for Punjab and Haryana High Court, exercise number 23 at the rate 90 word per minute. Be ready, start. The petitioners have sought questioning of the amendments on the ground that it is beyond the competence of the state legislature under entry 57 of the list second schedule 7 of the Constitution, and it is violative of Articles 14th and 19th of the Constitution of India. Mr. Baldev Kapoor, counsel for the petitioners, has argued that the motor vehicles operators were paying the specified taxes as per notification dated 22/11/2011. The petitioners are also paying taxes as envisaged under subsection of section 3 of the Act regularly. As per subsection, in case of a big bus, a tax is to be levied on the basis of per kilometer per day basis as determined by the government, but not exceeding the rate as has been specified in the schedule. The imposition of tax as per subsection of section 3 at the time of issue of stage carriage permit at the rate of 500 per kilometer on big buses and at the rate of 250 per kilometer in the case of mini buses is not a tax on motor vehicles. It is a tax on the issue of new stage carriage permit. Subsection was amended by Act of 2011, where the one-time tax on new stage carriage permits has been enhanced to 1500 per kilometer in the case of private operators alone. There is an increase from 500 to 1500 on one-time payment of tax in the case of big buses. The tax on mini buses has been CWP number 17240 of 2011 retained at 250 per kilometer and on state transport undertakings at 500 per kilometer. The amendment is being sought to be quashed on the ground of discrimination being violative of Articles 14 and 19 of the Constitution. Right from the date when the Punjab Motor Vehicles Taxation Act 1974 come into force, the state transport undertakings and private operators were being taxed uniformly. When section 3 was inserted in the Motor Vehicles Act 1974 imposing special road tax parity of taxation was maintained between the state transport undertakings and private operators. The classification made by Punjab Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2011, whereby under subsection of section 3 the tax in respect of private operators has been increased to 1500 per kilometer, whereas with regard to state transport undertakings it has been retained at 500 per kilometer. The amendment suffers from hostile discrimination between private operators and the state transport undertakings. Full stop.